Hey Simplies, it's your girl Simply Etc. back with another video. Y'all make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up. There we go. And comment if you have any questions, and also don't forget to subscribe to the family. And today we are going to create the blocked nail set. All right, this nail set was inspired by Tetris game, and I just also wanted to practice my hand drawing. But before we get into the blocked nail set, I need to show you my past two nail sets, Road Test and the Four Nations. I'm going to put some previews at the top, and I'm going to also put the links if you want to watch those as well. And you should, because they are bomb what. But other than that, let's get into this blocked nail set. Let's get into it. Yes. So before we actually get into it, I'm going to show you the materials that I will be using. I'm using the Mifa gel polish. I'm going to use number 20. And at this point, I was thinking of using 17 and 16, like, you know, as accents. But just a heads up, I didn't use 17, the gold. I just used this silver. So yeah. Half of me wanted to use this gold. Do you see that? It's brilliant, but I didn't want to be too extra. Next, we're going in with the N-Self gel polishes. I'm using number 10, 7, and 2, and 15, 5, and 22. These are the brightest colors of the batch that I have, and we're just going to make the blocks with these. So I'm starting out with just taking the number 20, the black gel polish, and I'm going to paint all of my nails. Well, not all, just this hand. And as you can see, this polish is jelly. Do you hear me? It's so jelly. It gives like a grayish, greenish tint. So you know I had to go in with a couple of layers with this. But this is the first layer, and I cured it for 120 seconds. This is the second layer. Again, I cured for 120 seconds, but it's not giving just yet. And this is the third layer. Now, the third layer is where I want it to be. It's not jelly anymore. So yeah, it took 3 coats, but that's fine. Okay, starting at this point, I'm not going to talk too much. I'm just going to let you all watch. But I'm starting out with the number 22. That's the bright orange, and I'm just making a stick in different directions. Also, I put 2 coats. So every block that I do, every figure shape that I do, I cure the first layer, and then I go back in the second time and cure the second layer of the same color. But also, before I cure, I take some acetone and I clean up and sharpen the edges so that they can look like actual blocks, if that makes sense. So as you can see, I'm going in with the number 15. It's a really bright neon green, and I'm going to make L's in different directions and all of that. Now I'm going in with the number 5. This is a hot pink, and I apologize. I thought I had some footage of me making the shape, but I think, oh no, I'm just gonna stir it up. Yeah. But I basically just made a Z shape, kind of sort of like a Z shape. Yeah. I'm gonna go in with the number 2, and I'm just basically going to make boxes. I'm gonna make squares. Alright y'all, so it's coming along. I'm using the number 10, and we're going to make T shapes, like short T's. And keep in mind, I am going back in for a second layer with each block, but I cure for 120 seconds in between each layer, and boom, it looks like that. Y'all, is coming together. It's coming together. It's giving Tetris. Okay, it's giving a different type of Tetris. But on to the last color. So after stirring that up, I'm gonna take the number 7, and this is a bright purple, and I looked up the Tetris blocks, and I saw that they don't have this shape, but you know what, we're gonna make our own today. Okay, so I made a P, a backwards P. All right, and we're just gonna flip that around, put it everywhere, and all of that. 2 layers, and boom, it looks like that. It looks so good. It's giving techie. It's giving techie, and I'm here for it. Alright, so it wasn't giving enough for me, so I'm gonna take that number 16 Mifa gel polish. It's very iridescent, and I'm just gonna put it on the blocks, and boom, they look like that. And then after a top coat, boom, they look like that. Boom bap. It's giving boom bap. It's giving the standard. Now, I'm not gonna put this on the SimplyEtc nail press-on nail boutique website. I'm not gonna do that, because this was just me practicing my hand drawing skills and things like that. If you want this, you can make it as a simply customized order, and I'll do it for you. But you know, this was just me trying out stuff, but I absolutely love this. It's giving techie and it's giving futuristic, and I love it. But all right, y'all, I will see you all on the flip side. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all later. Bye.